Peeps. Oh shit. Oh wait, hold on. I don't think I can curse on YouTube. I see a lot of people like blurring stuff out, so I don't know if I can do that. But we are back. Yes. I hope this isn't too loud. I hope I'm not like ear raping you guys. Yes, we are back. So, I didn't trade yesterday. Ended up just sleeping in. Bro was tired as hell. CPI came out. It actually turned out pretty good, I think, for the most part. Let's look at these. So it looks like PPI came out. I lied. PPI came out. Looked like it came out pretty normal. Core PPI month over month came out just a little bit lower, so it wasn't the best for price. But it came out 0.1 under the forecast, and it was previously 0.1, so it was forecasted to do better, and it actually just didn't do much. So it's not really like we did worse. Yeah, in the sense of like things looking too good for the economy right now, it's low-key going down at least month over month because of the shutdowns, because of just the economic state right now, because of Trump, because of everything that's going on. A lot of people are scared to spend their money on the consumer side, and then also on the production and like business side. People aren't like going out and getting credit. People aren't like hiring. People are firing too. It's just, well, aren't firing, but also because unemployment claims came out better today. I mean, way lower, over 10,000 lower than expected. So that's a good thing. People are like kind of hiring up again. It means that, you know, we like the next time that either FOMC, I think FOMC comes out one more time, maybe not. But the next time like we get CPI and PPI, it should be a little bit better just because we got that. But so basically what we've got is marked out this high time frame SMT here. Market's open, by the way, but I've marked out this high time frame SMT right here. So the NAS is currently leading it just because it didn't take out those highs from yesterday, but Asian and London session did. So right now that's kind of what we're monitoring. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and just delete this, that way you know you guys can actually see what we're doing. It's not too crowded on here. So we've got, I'll go ahead and turn this on for you guys too. So we've got some previous day lows from yesterday, some really good targets as well as Asian lows. Looks like we might have swept Asian lows yesterday, where I don't think the NAS did. Yeah, so we're looking for just bearish signals for today. I don't expect us kind of going up any higher, at least for right now. Again, we've already kind of taken out this liquidity here from London session, so that's kind of what we're looking for. Price action's pretty choppy right now, but we've got a lot of low resistance by sell side liquidity down here all the way. I mean, we've got this gap right here, so we'd kind of want to watch out for this. As we could tell from last time, that's what cooked us. But yeah, so that's kind of the deal for the day. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I wrote into the Discord. So don't really have much for today. With unemployment claims showing good for price, we could just bull for the rest of the day. That was off of just like unemployment claims and seeing news in general. Okay, that's strictly off of that. But then, you know, I'll go in to say we do have that bearish high time frame SMT with the NAS leading, and if taking London highs confirms manipulation, holy, I'll look for shorts to Asian lows and previous day lows. So that's kind of what we would do. And like I said, the NAS, like everything, we'd look at everything on the NAS today basically. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch this over. Yeah, we'd look at everything on NQ today, and just because of the bearish SMT, so we could use that as a really good stop. But we keep kind of getting this like uncertainty kind of like price right here, where it keeps just like kind of juking up and then going back down. We keep getting buy pressure right in this area, which I don't even believe that there's really a gap. Oh, there is. Okay, so this 15-minute gap is kind of just holding us. We might be in like a small order block now, but like I said, because of this clear sweep, we're honestly just gonna wait. Again, I mean, there are some targets here, and then we have this resistance. We have some pretty resistance right here. So my target would kind of just be to kind of catch this wave going down into this gap and then get out of it. So kind of something pretty similar to what we did last time. And of course, like if we went on the one here, we could use this beautiful gap. So let's just say price is right here and we get like a rejection candle or something like that. That would be green. Pull down to this gap, taking out all of this low resistance, something that we'd kind of want to look for. Like I said, there's just a lot of liquidity down here, but there's nothing really confirming that that's what it wants to do right now. We could also just kind of continue to bear up. So I mean, oh my gosh, I keep flipping those. Last time I was like recording this, I like kept flipping, like I'd say bulling down and bearing up. Like what am I talking about? Now just me saying up and down lets you guys know like what I'm actually talking about, but it's just annoying when like I know the correct terminology and I'm not using it. But yeah, so bullying, we're gonna be bullying up. It looks like we could do that too, and like just watching kind of the NQ and both of them moving, it looks like that's might be what we want to do. Again, I was feeling kind of bearish down to this gap, maybe get a reaction pull and then continue to bear down. But right now we're kind of looking pretty bullish on the day. So pretty interesting. That's the read. We're gonna kind of just sit and watch price for a little bit. And yeah, I'm gonna put this on the 5 just because I have the 1 kind of up already. Basically, yeah, we're just kind of looking forward to see if this bearish SMT is gonna get respected or not. And then by then we should be able to kind of catch a really good draft down. Now of course, like price being higher is better if we're bearish, you know what I mean? So we're not in all times yet. We are pretty high up in price right now. Okay, we hit 6,800 on the NAS, on the ES, and then NAS is at 25 too. So yeah, we will just kind of just chill for a little bit. We'll kind of see. I want to get some like, I don't know, but yeah. Chia. Last video, I really hope, I honestly don't know how I'm gonna do this. I think what I'm gonna do is like kind of be a week ahead. So like all of these videos, whenever you guys see them, will come out a week before. Like I would have made a week before. So like you guys will see all my videos a week prior to when they actually were, you know what I'm saying? Well, no, a week after. You guys are welcome for that. Yeah. Good news is that I bought another account. Okay, I bought another 50K. So now we have 100K to technically, but not technically. It's really not technical at all. But yeah. But so yeah, and I learned how to copy trade. So I'm just really excited. Because once I pass both of these accounts, then it's gonna be like 300 win is basically a 600 P&L on the day. Like that's amazing. Like I just love that so much. And it's like for so long I just been like seeing like my mentor do it, and then just like other people just copy trade, and that's just kind of what people do. Get like he has like, I think he's at like 4 accounts now. So like days where he's profited like 1,000 on one trade, it's really 3 or 4. You know what I mean? Days where it's only like a 300, that's a 900 across the board. You know what I mean? And like you pull out, like you take payouts from all 3 of those accounts. So like 900 P&L plus 900 P&L is like, you know what I'm saying? You can pull that out. So, and you did that in one trade that really was only 300, but because you copied it across. You know what I mean? So I just love the thought of that. And now it's basically our turn to do that. So I'm really excited. Again, a lot of the things that like we struggled with prior, like disciplinary stuff, emotions, all that stuff is completely out the window now. It did take a little bit. It took like maybe 2 or 3 months. I had to go through some shit to really get that out of me, which at the time it sucked, but I knew that I was doing it for my future and why I was doing it. So it made it a lot easier to be able to to continue to like push through it day after day, knowing like especially when it came to just like looking at the charts and just watching the charts and not like taking a trade and all that. Like it was something, you know what I mean? Facts. We do have to leave in about 20 minutes or so. So if we don't get our setup in here, we probably just won't be taking the trade. Which again, not taking a trade because it's not in our books is a win to me, you know what I mean? Okay, so if we get this inverse here, let's see if we get a 3-minute inversion. Let's see what this looks like. I would really like that, but we kind of keep respecting this zone right in here. We tried to sell off multiple times in here. I keep looking at this, it's kind of like liquidity, but we've tried to sell off multiple times within this zone and this zone, and it doesn't seem like we are really wanting to. I'll go ahead and mark this out just so you guys can see exactly what it is I'm talking about. Wrong colors. So yeah, this is basically what I'm talking about. So, you know, candle before the move up, order block, as you guys can see, we continue to just try to sell into this and we respect it like crazy. Now, So yeah, we just disrespected this, so that just kind of lets me know that we were going. That doesn't really mean anything, so we're going to continue to pull up. So we could try to target these highs, but we just keep getting that sell pressure, and it just looks a little just too uncertain for me. I don't know. Chat. Oh my gosh, I knew it. Okay, wait, we need to get in here. Hold on, we gotta wait for a retest real quick, and we're getting in here. We just broke through this. We're gonna target this right in here. Alright, so we'll see kind of how we do, but we just pulled through this. We're gonna get, if we get a rejection candle here. Okay, yep, we're getting it. Rejection candle here. Okay, we're getting some buyback here. What we need is just for this zone to get respected, so not this one, but I'm sure it'll look kind of better on that. A little bit of a retest. We'll catch it going back down here, though. We'll see. I mean, that could have just been the move on it, honestly. That was definitely my target, was right down to this gap. Expecting this gap here, if this breaks structure, we're gonna target. So we just got a really good. I just need this to reject. The thing is, we tried to pull through this. We'll bear it down through it a couple of times now. We can't get it. So, all right, yep, we're getting it. Getting a strong rejection candle. Continuing to bull. Respecting this gap. My top step isn't letting me in. All right, yeah, we just probably aren't gonna be able to take the trade today. I'm gonna take my laptop with me, and we'll see. Maybe I can catch something. But we do have to go, so I'll catch you guys on the flip.
Cause I'm too official, go. Man, I can't get off this girl, I don't know what to do. Me and mugging in this party, nigga, who the fuck is you? Shorty did some fuck shit, now I'm sick, I damn near caught the flu. Tripping out till Shorty hold my nuts, I feel like Uncle Drew. And fuck it, I'ma start rap, but deal, I'ma make it happen.